Hey guys, I never thought I would be someone who wore glasses. But guys, style is my first name and I don't want to wear those boring glasses. In fact, I'm thinking of buying really cool glasses that will suit my style. What say, Kiki? Hey guys, by the way, please meet my style guru, Kiki.
Tanvi, I can help you.
I blindly trust her opinion. So Kiki, any suggestions where I could get some really cool, funky but affordable glasses?
It's an obvious choice, Lenskart. Also, as per my research, they have got more than 5,000 style options to choose from.
Oh really? Let's check the website. Oh yes, Kiki, you were so right. Just see this, they have such cool stuff. And you know what, recently my younger brother got these really cool glasses from Lenskart and he got a huge discount as well. The options are endless. I can choose from the sunglasses to computer glasses and even contact lenses. They have a wide range of colored contact lenses too. What's more, let me check. Oh great, they have a home eye test option also. Wish I knew this before I got my test done.
Not just that, Tanvi. You can virtually try the glasses while sipping your coffee from the comforts of your living room using their Try 3D option.
Wow, that's so cool. I'm so excited. Can we just start, Kiki?
Of course.
Okay. So, truth be told, half of the day I am glued in front of the screen. Whether I'm editing my videos, photos, or simply preparing content, I need glasses that are lightweight and super comfortable. So, I'm going straight to the computer glasses option. Now, guys, let me select a shape for the frame for my computer glasses, and here you can select the desired frame keeping the occasion in mind. So I've selected a Wayfarer frame since I'm looking for specs that I can wear while working, but you can choose whichever suits you. Like, the options are endless. See, they have cat eye, rectangle, hexagon, and even aviator. And they have so many top eyewear brands like John Jacobs in this category. Wow, look what I found! These cute multicolor formal glasses. And just have a look at the price. It's 1199 rupees only. Also, it has blue lens, which means I can scroll and work constantly without straining my eyes. With the 90% blocking rays through this blue lens, I am definitely adding this to my cart.
Aren't you going to try them with Lenskart's 3D interface? You can click pictures and compare them as well.
And all I have to do is click on try on, click an image, and I'm done. So cool! I look so good! But there's nothing new in that. Okay, adding this to my cart right away. I look so cute. Now, you all know how much I love partying and I don't want to wear the same office glasses to the party, duh. Besides, I have a very cool creators party to attend in the upcoming week and I want to look my best. Let me look for some cool specs. Oh, and this reminds me how much I love Karan Johar's oversized glasses. You know, like, they look like so cool and he's so stylish. I definitely want to buy something similar to that. So I'm going to go back to the home page and click on as seen on Karan Johar. Winston Chase! This is the one I want. Wow. This is so easy. And guys, once you've clicked your picture, all you have to do is switch the toggle on to view 3D try on from view frame and you can see all your glasses on your face instead of Kejo's. Lol, cheap thrills. But I really love the design and pattern and it's just for 2000 rupees. I am surely going to buy this.
Hey, tell me one thing, what's this 360-degree option?
Oh, let me see. Let me click on the picture. Oh, it gives a 3D, like a 360-degree view of your product for better understanding before you buy it. Wow, that is so helpful. Really, this is great. I love it. Okay, so formal wear is done. Party wear is done. It's time to pick something for when I'm at home. What say, Kiki?
Of course. You need comfortable eyewear at home too.
Let me look for one. Let me select eyeglasses. By the way, if you're looking for some cool sunglasses, Lenskart has a wide range of amazing sunglasses too. You can check them out too. Under eyeglasses, I'm going to select premium glasses. Okay, look at these options. Okay, since I have an oval kind of a long face, this time under the filters option, I'm going to choose a frame shaped like a cat eye and the weight group to be light as I want to be comfortable at home. I don't like the marks on my nose. So let me look for this one. Oh, I really like this one. Also, the rating for these glasses is amazing. It's 4.9. I love the detailing of these glasses. The pink and gold combination is making them look so classy. Now when I click buy, the option here is buy one get one with gold membership. So first I select what kind of eye power I have, which is single vision. Then I select my lens. Then it tells me to upload my prescription post payment, to which I click I agree, and then it's done. Thanks to Kiki and Lenskart, my eyewear is now perfectly sorted. So are you planning to shop from Lenskart too? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.